Sustainability is the capacity to endure. Its main objective is to continue our human and non-human existence. It is the ability to perform for long-term maintenance of well-being, which has environmental, economic, and social dimensions. As humans, we often find it a challenge to move towards this goal, which entails the decision-makings of both international and national law, urban planning and transport, local and individual lifestyles, as well as ethical consumerism.
I thought that it really drew my attention to the real-world applications that are going on right now in the crisis that we're in with the lack of fossil fuels and how kind of everything is starting to move to a more green environment, and I wanted to know more information about that. Yes, definitely. I think that by taking the course that I took with Matt Burnett, Sustainability Design, and kind of mixing my major and the knowledge I gained from his class together, I think that's what our future is going to hold. I think that's what the students need to start learning.
My latest escapade that you guys saw was that electric powered bike, and that is my latest drive to try to bring people to awareness. It's attractive, it's something that's wrapped in a better piece of wrapping paper than what's at my home. It's mobile, so it's going to draw a lot of attention, and it's going to show, and I won't quit, that type of transportation is viable in this area. And I hope that once people see it, and they see it enough, they will begin to entertain these type of thoughts. Because the option of not doing anything like this in any way, shape, or form is, in my opinion, going to be disastrous. Even if you don't believe in the green movement, the agenda is being pushed. So, if nobody is willing to change, you have to think down the road.
My chief concern living on the dorms was kind of like recyclables and littering and whatnot, which if you've ever been in front, I mean, there's plenty of like cigarette butts. They're pretty prevalent. That would be something to incorporate. But I figured the number one problem was not having any kind of trash cans during the winter, because most of them have to get removed for snow removal purposes. So introduce to you this beautiful design here, which I was fortunate enough to actually get off the ground this semester. I had a lot of help from facilities doing it. They're actually amazingly helpful in getting this. Is just a prototype, just be noted. Trying to work on one that would have like more of a peak, so it could shed like, you know, any snow or rain or what have you, any kind of precipitation that might ultimately destroy it in the long run. So yeah, this is what I did all semester, really.
All right, thanks.
I'm not saying I'm right, but I'm saying I'm willing to step up to the plate and try something. Because I just don't want to sit back and let the cards fall where they may.
It is obvious that the continuing efforts of sustainability call for immediate growth. This awareness project has been developed to enrich people, not only for their knowledge, but for them to take actions. The dawn of our existence may or may not become a reality. That all lies in the hands of us human beings working together as a network.